Good day and welcome to Madam Peace TV. It will bring you the stories that matter most from the heart of the nation to your community. We cover breaking news, in-depth reports, and inspiring stories that shape our country. My name is Lukman Ade. Now the stories. The Corporate Affairs Commission (CAC) has registered more than 400,000 companies for failing to meet statutory requirements, describing them as inactive shell entities that could pose risk to the economy. Registrar General Hussein Ishaq Magaji made the announcement during the 35th anniversary commemorative walk in Abuja. He also highlighted progress in the beneficial ownership register, which tracks the individuals who ultimately controls the company. Magaji further reviewed new staff welfare initiatives, including housing, healthcare, and vehicle support, aimed at improving morale and service delivery. The walk was part of activities marking CAC's 35 years of regulating Nigeria's corporate sector. The Kwara State Police Command has confirmed that at least 75 people were killed following attacks on Woro and Nuku communities in Kalama local government area. Police spokesperson Adeotun Ejire Adeyemi said security operatives were deployed after the incident, while clearance operations and the manhunt for the perpetrators are ongoing. The Inspector General of Police has also ordered additional tactical deployments to the area. Governor Abdurrahman Abdulrazak described the incident as a massacre, as President Bola Tinubu directed the deployment of an army battalion to reinforce security.